Hi, I'm Kian, the youngest one in my family, and this is my story. I'm a student, a creative thinker, and someone who believes that the little routines we build each day help shape the bigger picture of our lives. And in this video, I'll share a glimpse of my lives, my daily routines, the places I go to, the spots I visit, and the aspirations and views that drives me forward. So, join me as I take you through my life, my city, and the journey I'm building every day. This is My City, My Life. So I have routines that keep me energized and focused. Right after waking up, I do push-ups to energize myself for the day ahead. Ew, ew. And then, after that, I tidy up my bed because starting with order sets the tone for productivity. Ting! And then, after tidy up my bed, I prepare myself for school. But wait, something's missing. Aha! Of course, don't forget your ID because you can't go inside the school without it. And of course, your backpack also. Off we go! And don't forget to goodbye kiss your pets. My aspirations in life revolves around achieving financial independence, pursuing growth, and making a meaningful impact on the world around me. I view life as a journey to define who I am through my actions, choices, and creativity. For me, life isn't just about going through the motions. It's about living with purpose, finding balance, and leaving behind a legacy that reflects my values and individuality. Cagayan de Oro, also known as the City of Golden Friendship, is my home and a place full of opportunities, warmth, and inspiration. Every moment here shapes who I am. I'm proud to be a student at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. We're here now at the gate of our school. So let's go inside. So this is what our campus looks like from the inside. And right now I'm heading to my classroom. Oh, I ran into some of our schoolmates. Say hi! So this is our classroom and now we are heading inside because our class is about to start. So our class is now done and I'm heading straight home. Say bye-bye! So in the evenings, once I'm home, I quickly change into comfortable clothes and enjoy a meal. After dinner, I either focus on my studies and homeworks or work on a crochet, a creative hobby that helps me unwind and brings a sense of accomplishment before I call it a night. Right now, I'm doing a crochet vest for myself. But wait, so before we end our day, here and let me show you some vlogs and clips that I took of the places that I visited. So what's up guys, and we are here now at our school, University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Cagayan de Oro Campus, the home of the Trailblazers. Selamat na. Balik po sa fire truck. Hey, so let me tell you something about myself. What people may not know about me is that sometimes I enjoy solitude and silence. I find peace in quiet moments where I can charge and reflect. Do you know that social events and interactions often leave me feeling drained? So, I value time alone to regain my energy and clarity. That's all. Share ko lang. Hihi. And that's my city, my life. Goodbye!